Welcome to another 11 plus non-verbal reasoning class. This class is designed for students who wants to take the 11 plus examination. In our previous class, I explained how to get the figure that is similar to other two figures on the left or other three figures on the left. Now the instruction is that you find which of the figures on the right is more like the two figures on the left. To ignore the differences and look for the common features of the two shapes on the left in order to get your answer, and you should use elimination method to get your answer. It makes you work faster and accurately. Let's take question 1. Question 1, study the two figures on the left. You can see the two figures on the left. Now they have one common features. The common features is that they are both right angle triangle. You ignore the differences. The differences are one is big and the other one is small. One is shaded white and the other one is shaded black. One is rotated while one is upright, so you have to ignore the differences, but the common features is that they are both right angle triangle. Now let's use elimination method to get the answer. You eliminate E because E is out from it. Eliminate A because this is an inverted triangle. That's an isosceles triangle. We're looking at two right angle triangle. You eliminate B. B is an equilateral triangle where three sides are equal. So we're left with C and D. You eliminate D because D is a scalene triangle. We are left with C. The answer is C, right angle triangle. So number 1, the answer is C. You can see how we use elimination method to get our answer quicker and accurately. Let's move to number 2. Number 2, look for their common features. What does these two figures have in common? You can see they both have a black arrowhead. You can see they have a small circle, small square, and 3 symbols together. So let's look for the answer using the elimination method. A is out of it because you have an inverted arrowhead. Likewise C. Okay, let's look at B. B is having a square, a circle, and 3 symbols. We'll keep B. We eliminate D. Instead of square, D is having a triangle, so you eliminate D. We are left with B and E. E is out of it. Instead of a square, E is having a rectangle. So the answer is B. The reason why we are using the elimination method is that when writing your 11 plus exam, you don't have much time. For a question, you just have maybe 60 seconds for a question. So you need to use the elimination method to work very fast. Number 3, let's take number 3. Study the two figures. You can see both of them are in a box. They have a 2-jointed arrow going clockwise. That's this one and this one. And they have 3 lines, 3 straight lines. 2 are crossing each other. You can see 2 are crossing each other. And 1 is crossing the 3 lines. You can see 1 is crossing the 3 lines. Now let's look for the answer using elimination method. A is incorrect because you're already having 4 lines. You can see the two figures are having just 3 lines. B is incorrect. We eliminate B. B is having 5 lines. We eliminate B. We eliminate C because C is also having 4 lines crossing each other. We're left with D and E. We eliminate D because 1 line is crossing between 2 lines. So for D, we only have 1 line crossing only 1 line. While E is the correct answer because a line is crossing 2 lines. The answer for question 3 is E. Now, I would love you to take question 4 and question 5 as your homework. You can drop your answers in the comment section. Keep on practicing questions on similarities. See you in the next class. Bye.